India's former president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said that India will be the superpower in the world by the year 2020. But is India progressing towards it? Because according to estimations, Indian economy is one of the youngest economies in the world right now, and by the year 2020, India will be the youngest nation in the world. Is India taking full benefits of the youth power? Are there any benefits of being the youngest nation in the world to become the superpower? Let's find out in this video.
Among the Indian population of 120 crore, 43 crore people are young. By 2021, youth population will be 46.4 crore. Median age, which is 27 years now, will be 29 years, which will make India youngest nation in the world. Currently, median age of China is 36 years and US is 30.7 years. So, where India will be youngest nation in the world, its competitive country China will be aging with median age of 37.7 years. Also, experts have estimated that by 2050, China will have shortage of labor. Youngest workforce means more innovative minds, which provide productive ideas for betterment of economy. Emerging entrepreneurs such as Sachin Bansal, Binny Bansal and Rohit Gadia have set good example. Experts also observe that with young population, savings increase, which turns into a source of funding for investment. Bigger the investment, better the economy. Also, various markets are targeting youth for their products and services. And as a major part of population is young, this would result into expansion of markets. So this is how being youngest nation will be beneficial for India. But there are few problems which India will have to face.
Education is one of the biggest problems in India. The literacy rate of India is 74%, which is comparatively lower than the countries such as China, which has the literacy rate of 95%. Another crisis which India faces is the quality of education. Though primary education is universalized, the outcome remains low. Absence of teachers, low quality in teaching, limited knowledge in schools are the reasons due to which students are facing problems in communicating with the outer world. Less than 10% people of working age population have completed secondary education. With majority of youth population, it is also necessary to have jobs for them. There is a fear of increasing rate of unemployment. But there is a golden opportunity for India to make best of the youth by enhancing education and employability.
So, utilization of such a large young force should be on primary agenda of current and future government. Also, we think that revolutionary change in education system is the greatest need of time.
So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. And if you have any other suggestions or you would like to see us talking on something else, then don't forget to leave that in the comment section below too. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.